What is Loewe? No. Who is Loewe?
To describe Loewe with 3 words, it's an awesome company. We produce our own TVs here in Germany. My name is Christian Alber. I'm working as a COO at Loewe, and I've been with Loewe meanwhile since 30 years. I started mid of the 90s for Loewe to work, and you can see it maybe in the background. I started in the production.
Starting on the factory floor shaped how Christian sees the company today, through the people who make it happen.
I'm very proud to be here and to work with this team because we are together as a strong team. For me, it makes the entire team, which gives at the end a feeling of home.
Their work takes shape when an idea finally moves from the screen into the workshop.
Because before, we see it just in digital. We see it as scribbles, we see it in a CAD program, but with the first setup and the first manufacturing of a product, this is for me the magic moment.
Among the many projects over the years, one stands particularly close to him.
I'm most proud of a project since the 6 years is for me the iconic collection. And it was a little bit my idea to create such kind of product. That makes me extremely proud, of course.
But the work continues every day in production, and the future is already taking shape.
For the future, I will be satisfied. I'm 100% sure, because we will see the Loewe brand in the future totally different. With different products, with different views from outside. It will stay, of course, as Loewe, as a strong brand.
Different strengths, different roles, moving in the same direction.